loves, welcome back to our channel. I am here with another one from the Mslynn HAIR. All right, so we are back with this unit from Mslynn HAIR, and this is really a bomb unit. Okay, first of all, I'll pull her out the pack. The hair is stunning. Can you guys get into that? I'm going to curl her up. That's why I got one little thing in here, but I'm just obsessed with this. Part of me didn't want to, but I never styled down for you guys, and I figured I would, right? So let's get into the details of this unit. Now, this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. She comes with adjustable straps, Wakanda forever. And let's get into this parting space. Now, this is a 2x5, okay? Silk base wig. So this part, you see that? All that silk base parting, and it's 2x5. Look at how long that parting space is. So this is what it'll look like on top, okay? Just a more natural parting space. Really, really beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go through curl mother all the way up. Okay? And we're going to get her together. All right, guys, in an effort to make more defined waves, I am just going to go on through with my clips and curl mother on down. Now, this is a 2020 new silk base wig. It has the 2x5 silk base parting, and it really is stunning. The hair is beautiful. I didn't experience any tangling. I didn't experience any shedding. I mean, I was super impressed with this unit. And she is 24 inches. She is Brazilian hair. And I have her in 150% density. And she is currently going for just under $220. So she is pricey, but for 24 inches, that's really relatively affordable. 24 inches of human hair. And I must say, this unit is beautiful. She took curls so wonderfully. I love the silk base parting, and I love the cap construction. Now, it is relatively big head friendly, but that's okay, because then that means our big head girls can grab some up too. Okay, I'm just using my Tresemme spray to make sure I hold these curls in place, and I just curl it on down, and then I add my clip. I make sure I hold the curl in my hands, and I add my clip to make sure that, you know, the curl stays in its full form and we can get a nice, sexy, big body wave. Okay. this in such a long time. This hair is stunning. This is from Mslynn HAIR. This is my first time actually collaborating with them. And let me tell you something. Nasty. She's nasty. And I love every bit of her. Like, I mean, damn, every last 24 inches of her. She's amazing. And I really do want you guys to check them out. I cannot believe how sexy this unit is. Really do love the texture of this hair. She's super lightweight, and she gives all of the 24 inches. All of it. I really want you guys to check them out. I was super impressed with this. I love the 2x5 silk base lace. I love that because it gives you that nice nude sexy look at the top. I couldn't be happier, y'all. I want y'all to bust in. I'm gonna leave all the deets in the description with a cute little quote, and y'all go check out Mslynn HAIR, okay? Mslynn, come on through. She took these curls perfectly. I don't have nothing else to say but grab her, okay? Cute little look. She the one. I miss lace. I don't know about y'all, but I miss it. I'm glad they bought it on back for us. Now I'll see you beautiful mugs later. Bye.